Joining us now, Kamakshi Athreya, who has been crowned Miss Universe Tamil Nadu. Thank you very much. Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
You're a law student. What does this mean for you?
I think this win for me is more of a responsibility. And I feel as a law student that responsibility only increases because I believe that, with this crown on my head and with this sash of being Miss Universe Tamil Nadu, I believe I have the power now to actually create change. As a law student, with the knowledge that I have, knowing that there's so much that I can do, I'm very excited about this journey.
Was it highly competitive, and how difficult is the journey?
Oh, yeah, it was definitely competitive. I think all the girls that participated this year were absolutely phenomenal, and the judges kept repeatedly telling us that it's very tough to decide a winner. But I think all our efforts in our own way has shaped us because pageantry is all about the journey and not just about who wins the crown, because each of us have a power to create change in our own separate ways. So I think hats off to every girl that participated with me.
Your next challenge would be to win the National Miss Universe India title.
Absolutely.
What next, and how are you preparing for that?
So the Miss Universe India pageant is all set to happen from June end to July end. And there's going to be a lot of rigorous training that's going to go into it. And I've signed up with an academy, Beauty High Academy, which is run by the Miss Universe India organization. And I have a huge group of mentors, right from my physical health to my mental health, my skincare. Everything needs to be on point. And yes, preparations are going on full swing right now.
How difficult? Can you eat whatever you want? Ice cream?
Not necessarily, because pageantry requires a sense of discipline that you need to practice if you really want to make it. I think not just pageantry, any field requires that discipline. And my journey for each individual girl, their requirement is different. In fact, for me, it's more about being on a high calorie diet. And it is difficult because you're changing from what you're so used to into something, out of your comfort zone, whether it's your exercise or your diet. It's difficult, but I'm enjoying the process.
Some also say beauty pageantry commodifies, objectifies women. How would you look at that?
I'd like to address that as one of the biggest myths there is about pageantry, because as a 19-year-old girl getting into this field, a lot of people have told me, why from law, a professional course, why are you getting into this industry? But I'd like to break that myth, because pageantry is a place where each girl has the opportunity to amplify her voice on behalf of other young women. And that's exactly what I wish to do. I want to use this platform for what it's meant for and show the world what the meaning of pageantry is all about. Because being a pageant queen is not just about glitz and glamour on stage, but it's about being a voice for those who don't have a voice, being the one that sparks change and being the one that inspires people to pursue their paths fiercely.
Thank you very much, Kamakshi. All the best.
Thank you so much.
A potential Miss Universe in the making. In Chennai with Suresh, Sam Daniel, Find It TV.